Hey kiddos, welcome back to Mr. Waddell's Giant Movie Marathon. Episode 2.1.5, How Can I Simplify the Expression? Alright, here we go. Today we're actually going to do a brand new type of expression mat. That's called the Expression Comparison Mat. If you see, there's a bunch of examples of it here. Kind of looks like this. Alright, an expression comparison mat has a left side and a right side with this phrase, which is greater. Notice that we still have our same old plus and minus regions. We're kind of building up to the point where we have an actual expression mat where you're going to really be representing both sides of an equation. I think it's actually called an equation mat, if I remember correct. Alright, so when we look at this, we can remember that we have a few things we can do in life. We know that you can actually take something that's down here in the negative region, you can change its color, flip it on up. We also have seen in the past that you can make zero pairs. So that's a negative and a positive goes away. Negative and a positive goes away. No big deal. Oh, but wait. Now there's a new thing we can do. So if there is the same tile on both sides, left and right, here I see that there's a Y tile on this side, there's a Y tile on this side, I can pull them both away. Okay? That's a legal move. Those are three legal moves you can do. You can make zero pairs, you can do the flip, and if it's the same on this side and the same on that side, you can pull them away. And now it's pretty easy to see. We have 0 versus positive 2. Okay? So positive 2 is greater. And that is the lesson today, for the most part. You're just practicing this over and over and over again. So first off, starts with this problem here with Carl. Carl's going to show you those same rules. Here he's making zero pairs. Here Carl's doing the flip. Here he's pulling off the same type. You do have to simplify these a little bit more. You notice that there's a zero pair right there. There's a zero pair right there. Lots of zero pairs. So it's great and fine to use these rules. These are your legal moves. You want to know how to do these. Okay? And then they give you a couple examples to do. Okay? Asks you to do a learning log where you define those. So not too big a deal. Remember, we got our math notes. Be keeping up with that on the Google. Here we got the commutative property of addition, commutative property of multiplication. Okay? Be sure to keep up with those. Let's look at 216. If I remember correct, 216 is a little more practice. Yep. So you're going to go back and start talking about which is greater again. Okay? You're using those same legal moves. You're flipping, you're making zero pairs, and you're pulling two terms that are the same from different sides off. Okay? I got A through F to practice there, and here's one more for you to go ahead and practice. So literally today is just a few practices. Notice that there's another math notes talking about the legal pairs, so be keeping up with that. Today is actually probably the shortest explanation that I have to give. I'll go ahead and do one more example problem just so that you see how this all works. Let me build something ridiculous here for myself to go solve. Why not? This is a 4-minute video, so let's make it a little bit more interesting. Let's put some negatives down here. Alright. Interestingly, these are the same algebra tiles that have been hanging out on the screen since the first video because I am filming these back to back to back. So, let's take a look. First thing I would personally do with this problem is I would do the flip. So we're going to change the sign, bring it up, change the sign, bring them up. Okay. Zero pair right there. Negative, positive 1. No more zero pairs. Now I'm going to say, oh look, these both have a negative x squared. Those can go away. These both have a y, so they can go away. And now I'm literally going to start pulling off these ones until I go, oh look, the left side was greater. Okay, that is all there is to it. You're just practicing this a bunch. So be sure to go ahead and work through problems. Yeah, you can do 246. You might as well. This is a really short lesson. So 246, 247, and 48, 249, 256, and 57. Be sure to do that learning log in your writings right there. It's problem 250. And then again, homework is on Google Classroom. We managed to get out of here quickly. I like this. Hopefully some more of these videos are very short. So you have a great day. Looking forward to being with you guys again soon. So see you on Google, and have a great one.